Welcome back to Alexa Skill Programming. So in this section, we will do the planning for our $1,000,000 quiz skill. So let's go ahead and start it. So the first thing which we need to decide is what would be the invocation word for our skill. So let's name it as $1,000,000 quiz. Okay. So the next topic is the intent. So what all intents do we need here? So there are basically two user actions. So one of them is that user tells Alexa that you can go ahead and start the quiz. So that is the first one, which is the ask question intent, start the question session. Okay, and then the second one is the answer intent. So answer intent means when the user gives you the answer, and Alexa should recognize that it's an answer from the user. So we have basically two indents over here which we need to create. So the next part is the utterances basically. So we are going to create some utterances for our first indent, basically the ask question indent. So the user can respond like, okay, let's start, or he can say I'm ready, or start, or let's start. So I have just given here for utterances. If you want, you can add more as you like and enhance this app and give a better user experience. Okay, and the next part is the answer intent utterances. So the utterances for this intent basically. So here the user can say that I think it's some answer. It's this answer, or he or she can simply say the answer, or he may also say I know it's this answer. So these are some of the cases I have recognized, I have found out. So you can add more cases which could happen in real world based on your creativity, like based on your imagination. Okay, so for our example, for now I am just adding 4, but you can add more when you yourself create this skill. And there is one more thing here, the parameters. I think we haven't discussed about it in the past, but let's have a quick look what parameter is. So parameter is nothing but it can be a variable value. Like in this case, I think that's actually a static kind of thing, but the answer could be anything. So he can say it can be Canada or Antarctica or Charles Babbage or Elon Musk or Ada Lovelace. Okay, so it could be any of those answers coming over here. So this is basically the parameter which can accommodate these answers basically. So these parameters. So we will see how it can be created in the console later on. So in our next session. So that's all for this session. Thank you so much.